What's up guys, Ryan here at Signature Edits, and inside of this video I want to show you exactly how you can use one of these $25 pieces of gear to light your entire studio. You ready? Let's do it. Alright, so what am I talking about? What is this piece of gear? You probably have already heard of it and you've already used one, or like me, you have several sitting around that you've never used because you were told they were important and you just found out I never use these because they're annoying. Well, I will give you a use for this today, fine sir, madame, that will blow your mind. Maybe. It blew mine. This is a 5-in-1 reflector. So if I take it and open it up, it's this giant reflector. It's silver on one side, black on the other. You can actually invert this fabric. It's got a zipper on it, and then you can make it gold, or you can take this outer shell off and it becomes a diffuser. It's just this kind of white sheet of material you can shine a light through and make it really soft. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to light your studio with it. So how are we going to do that? The answer is with the power of outside. Okay, so if you're in the middle of winter like me, it's dark, you're in a basement, you want to light up a space. I actually just use this for my everyday working, but you could use it if you had a shoot. Say you're shooting a wedding and it's dark in there, you bring one of these, you set it up the way I'm going to show you, and you can bring so much more light into the space, it's unbelievable. In fact, I'm going to show you right now what I'm doing. I've got 3 of these massive reflectors that I bought because I thought I needed them at some point, and they've literally sat in my studio unused for like 4 years. All right, so I discovered them one day and I said, man, it's really dark down here. I wonder if I could set these up outside and just reflect them inside. Turns out, an amazing idea. I'm not the first to come up with it. I'm a little behind the curve, but it's going to blow your mind. So let me show you what the space looks like right now with those with those reflectors just out of the way. So this is the scene before I've added any light to it. It's just the light naturally coming in from the window. It's a reasonably sunny day outside, but it's the middle of winter, it's kind of dark, and I'm in a basement, so it's really not that bright. However, when I actually go and set these reflectors up outside, so as you can see, it makes a really massive difference, the amount of light that is coming into the space just from having those reflectors set up outside. And I'll tell you, in the middle of the winter, or if you're just in a dark space, having that maximum light come through the window makes a huge difference. So how do you do this if you want to do it yourself and you happen to have a reflector sitting around? Well, you're going to need one of these, or just anything to lean them up on. This is a mic stand. You can grab them off Amazon. I think they have them for like 25 bucks. So you grab your mic stand, you open it up like this, so now it's kind of in a T shape. Grab your reflector, and you can just clamp it on. So grab a couple of clamps. You can get these for like $5 at the hardware store. Hello. And even one clamp will do. It'll hold it up. Doesn't look super pretty until you put on the second one. Hello, hello. Like so. And then you've got a nice holder that you can take, pivot, move, redirect, and just angle up into your window. So you take that outside, set it up. If you want to, you can take it in at night, whatever, and you're good to go. So I know it's not like a mind-blowing tutorial this time, but I'm hoping it's helpful for somebody because I know it's made a massive difference to just the way that I work in my space, because I have way more light, both for shooting and stuff like that, but also just for working. And it really helps to have that extra sunshine in your life. So if this has been helpful, do me a favor, hit the thumbs up button. Make sure to comment. How would you use this? Obviously, it's not going to be useful every single day. On cloudy days, you might be wondering, how does it work? Well, it does add a little more light, but not as much, obviously, as the sunny days. Sunny days, it's really noticeable, and it's lovely. On a cloudy day, you're not going to notice much of it, but it is still going to make a bit of a difference. So that hopefully answers your questions. If you have other questions, leave them in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe if you want more tutorials and awesome stuff overall. Okay? This has been a really weird and awkward video, but I hope it's helped somebody. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.